Well, gang members recently took the life of a pastor in northern Honduras for not paying what they call a protection tax. Maria Savella, mother of 3 children, co-pastored the church with her husband near the city of San Pedro Sula. She was stabbed to death in her home.
The national police have been unsuccessful in stopping gang violence. Honduras' new police director recently appealed to fathers to keep their children out of gangs by getting more involved in their lives.
Let's have that father who's a protector of the family, and not just a materialistic father who gives or doesn't give things. Let's have the support of society. The church is important.
Sabillon also invited evangelical pastors to his national headquarters to pray for police officers. The session ended with a prayer of commitment to uphold law and order and pursue justice.
Prayer is a great force, a great energy for this national police force. It revitalizes us, comforts us, and motivates us to fight for this society, for these people who deserve a quality life.
Many believe that prayer can change the tide in their fight against crime. Stan Jeter, CBN News.